Good evening friends, time for a technical update on the markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up of more than 100 points today and it held the gap out and it held the gap throughout the day. It traded in a sideways range throughout the day, ending the day with 144 points gain on the Nifty. The rally today was led by a host of banking stocks with likes of SBI, Axis Bank, etc. gaining around 10% each. The advanced decline ratio was in the ratio 4:1. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after breaking from the downward sloping channel in which it was trading, in the penultimate trading session, it tested the upper trend line of the downward sloping channel, and it closed positive the day after that. Today, after giving a gap up opening, it faced some amount of resistance at the 40-day exponential moving average. However, it closed above the 20-day simple moving average. Along with that, we have the momentum indicator which has a positive crossover. So overall, we expect the rally in Nifty to continue in the days coming. On the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening gap up today, it rallied in a range throughout the day. However, the Nifty was trading in a range throughout the day, but the stocks were making newer highs throughout the day, and crucial supports for the Nifty going ahead will be placed at 5475, which is the area of the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and crucial resistance is placed at 5720 on the upside, which is the daily upper Bollinger Band. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains positive for a target of 5720 in the coming trading sessions. Now let us have a look at the Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty has similarly broken out of an downward sloping channel. It has given a closing above the 20-day simple moving average, and we expect the rally in Bank Nifty also to continue. Crucial resistances for Bank Nifty are placed at 9,932 and 10,200 odd levels. Now for some stock specific ideas for today, for tomorrow, starting with ONGC. ONGC was trading in a downward sloping channel, and today it has broken out of that downward sloping channel and it has closed above that. It has closed above the 20-day simple moving average. Along with that, the momentum indicator also has a positive crossover. So we expect ONGC to trade with a positive bias for targets of 292 and 304 on the upside. Another stock which we have is from the capital goods sector. We have L&T today. L&T has broken out of a downward sloping channel. The momentum indicator has a positive crossover. Today we saw BHEL gaining around 10 odd percent, and we expect Larsen also to give a similar kind of return in the coming trading sessions. We expect targets of 800 and 885 on L&T in the coming trading session. That's all for the day. Thank you.